helicopter. And about the helicopter, it can actually fly. And I can turn it on, and then it spins. And it's like a blade. Well, and that's how my helicopter